Bulkhead, no. He'll recognize your voice.
I can make it lower. Higher?
He would recognize mine as well.
Come in, Space Bridge Control. Don't make me come down there and dent some engine blocks.
Somebody say something. Pronto!
Raphael, patch in Agent Fowler.
You have 1 nanocycle to respond or...
This is Space Bridge Control. Situation normal.
Normal? You sure about that?
We were just calibrating the subsystems and we, had a surge. But it's fine now. How are you?
Never better. I know it's thankless down there. Keep up the good work, huh?
Will do. Control out.